And the smell of sulfur clung to the night. Then a little bit of fire spread out and grew much higher.